The fastest way to create short videos for TikTok using Crayo AI. Hey guys, welcome in this video where I'll show you step by step the fastest way to create short video for TikTok using Crayo AI tutorial. Crayo AI is a powerful tool designed to help users create engaging short videos quickly and efficiently. Whether you are new to video creation or looking to streamline your process, Crayo AI offers a user-friendly platform perfect for creating content for TikTok and other social media platforms. This tutorial will guide you through the basics of using Crayo AI to create short videos, ensuring you can start producing high-quality content in no time. So why we use Crayo AI? First we have ease of use. Crayo AI's intuitive interface makes it accessible for beginners. Speed, we have quickly generate videos without extensive editing knowledge. Quality, we have produce professional looking videos that capture attention. Efficiency, we have saved time with automated features and smart templates. So to more understand, first step you need to do is open your web browser and dive into Crayo.ai. This is the website. As you can see, here we have the fastest way to generate short videos. Get unlimited short videos at once. Auto-generate captions, effects, background, and music for you. This is the homepage, how look, homepage, my projects, my uploads, video editor. We have a generate story video, generate voiceover video, generate text to image video. As you can see, there's all script generate. They choose here the quick, as you can see. Other options also micro, as you can see, a lot of things here. From idea to short video in seconds. So here we have 3 steps. It's very important to start video. Here we have write and outline. Start with writing scripts using a prompt or using template suggestions. Here we have enter your story topic. Write a story about something like clockwork, detective, garden of whispers, journey to a fire. Select story tone, funny, mystery, horror. Here you can select how much words you want. I have here 4,000, 3,000, 2,000 as you want. Here you select, we have customs and styles. Select background, video, voice, and a music from free templates. You can select your font style, the quick brown fox over. Select story background. As you can see, there is a various here. Select story background. Also we have William male, Henry male, Jason male. We have also female if you want. Then we have finish and export. Choose export format and download generated videos, script or narration. Here we have a lot of information also, all in one tool for generating viral shorts using AI. Here we have automate videos in seconds, auto generate captions, effects, background and music for you. We have voice narrator, AI image generation, manual editing, create script, popular music, multi-platform. Also we have auto subtitle, as you can see. We have AI script generator. Start with writing script using a prompt or using templates suggestions. Here we have, you select your story topic, generate outline, generate description. As you can see, we have background videos, select custom backgrounds from templates. We have various background here. You can select the video you want. As you can see, multi-place, we have also multi-place, multi-purpose video, sorry. Create videos for different platforms like YouTube, Instagram, especially TikTok. Here TikTok, we have TikTok, as you can see. AI image generation, create AI image with your prompt, bring your ideas. Here we have 3 bears in different situations. You can choose the one you want. Here sad, angry, and happy, as you can see. Then we have video editor, edit your videos with full-fledged AI-powered video editor and take your videos to next level, as you can see. Video filters, edit your videos and apply tones or filters. You have here various filters, you can choose the one you want. Also we have voice narrator, you can choose male, female. We have William, Jason, Hannah. As you can see, you have also ultimate tool for social media growth. You have Instagram, TikTok, fastless content, Reddit stories, YouTube shorts, Instagram reels. You can read more information and details here, as you can see. Our customer asks, you have also some comments here, you can read it. We have Ali, Daniel, said, Mo, Ari, Musa. You can read the comments here. to know more information. Let's talk about pricing right now. Pricing, we have a plans. You can pay monthly, you can pay yearly. Let's start with monthly. We have essential plan, clipper plan, pro plan. Essential plan, we have you pay 19 for each month. We have 40 exports minutes, includes we have 20 AI videos, 25 scripts, 30 minutes for off voiceover, and 100 EA image. For clipper plan, we have 39 for each month, 80 exports minutes, includes we have 50 AI videos, 100 scripts, and 60 minutes of voiceover, and 250 AI images. For the last one, we have $79 for each month. We have 180 export minutes, includes we have 125 AI videos, unlimited scripts, 120 minutes of voiceover, 500 AI images. You can pay also yearly. We have for Essential Plan 160 for each year, Clipper Plan 327 for each year, 664 for each year. Then if you wanna sign up, all you have to do is get started like that. This is the home page. As you can see, you have here Crayo dashboard, Crayo editor, my projects, my exports, my assets. Great, you have spot video, story video, text video, blur video, ChatGPT video, voiceover video. Tools, we have AI images, AI voiceover, AI avatars, AI brainstorm, YouTube downloader, TikTok downloader. More, we have affiliate, Discord. As you can see, generate story video, generate AI text to image video, create ChatGPT like image video. In story video, we have create AI generated story video. We have also generate voiceover, make high quality voiceovers in seconds. Also, we have popular apps. We have split screen video, create fake text video. Also, EA avatar. We have also video story, download YouTube video. So if you wanna start video, all you have to do is sign in. Click over here, write your name, write your email, and create your account. As you can see, then you sign up. You can continue with Google and pay then. So there is a lot of options in this website. All you have to do is start and pay. It's very helpful for beginners. So Crayo AI is an excellent tool for beginners looking to create short, impactful videos for TikTok. By following this tutorial, you will be on your way to producing professional quality content quickly and efficiently. So happy creating. So this is for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful, helpful, and see you again in the next video.